Hello there, my name's Alexandra Jamie. The major that I'm studying in college is early childhood education. Specifically, I want to go into the field of teaching younger kindergarten kids. So today for the ePortfolio, I chose Miss Christina Garrett. To start off for the ease of use about her ePortfolio, I honestly thought while navigating through her website that everything was it was pretty straightforward. For example, say I want to learn about English. Um, so right off the bat, it tells us, okay, topic English, and then there's five topics, or there's five parts of English. I want to learn about reading and analyzing literature, excuse me. Um, she goes into great detail about the topic, which is really helpful. She also includes photos, which is as well helpful. And then going on for the aesthetic of the website, I really enjoy the photos. I feel like everything's very organized, which I can really appreciate. Everything works as it should. And does the site bring you to proper places? Yes, they do. For example, let's go to another topic just to test it out for language. Yep. So language, the linguistics, communication, everything's the same, really clear. And also for both positives and negatives. For positives, again, I feel like I'm repeating myself, but everything is just very straightforward, and I feel like she's a very organized teacher. I also like in her profile, she has an overview, so it gives everyone an insight. So, like her education background, her work experience, where she lives, a little bit about her. So, she's like, my name's Christina Garrett. I'm a proud alumni of San Francisco State University. She just gives a little bit about herself and gives her students a heads up, which I really enjoy. And then negatives, honestly, this is my first time viewing an e-portfolio, so I really didn't see anything like too crazy. Everything, I really enjoyed her reading her profile. Describe any issues or unresolved questions. I just feel like I have to learn more, and obviously we will in this course about e-portfolios and like what to include in them. But other than that, I feel like this was really helpful and easy to navigate. Thank you.